Hi guys, so we're in the year of 2022 and I just got a gaming laptop that comes with only 8GB of RAM. And I have to mention, it's only a single stick. And the laptop cost us $1,300. I mean, for the money that we pay, most of the gaming laptop should have a 16GB of RAM with dual channel, and everything else will be the same, such as our CPU and GPU, which are the i7-11800H and the RTX 3050 Ti. If you're new to RAM, more RAM not only allows you to do more tasks at the same time. In some gaming situation, more RAM will give us more FPS. Not only that, dual channel is always better than the single channel, and quad channel of course will be the best. So the situation now is the 8GB of RAM in this laptop will definitely reduce the FPS for gaming. And how much it will reduce? That's what we are going to find out now. So let's upgrade a 32GB dual channel RAM kit to this MSI Crosshair 15. And as you guys can see, this is the RAM that comes with the laptop, a single stick, 8GB right here. And the RAM kit that we're going to use is not even something crazy, it's just a crucial 32GB, very normal RAM, but dual channel. If you don't know how to remove the back cover for this particular laptop, you can refer to my other video. And remember, before doing anything to your laptop, disconnect the power cable first. And now let's get the RAM out. There we go. This one is made by Samsung, the 8GB single stick. And let's put in our dual channel. There we go. And now let's connect back the power. Alright, and now let's put back everything and I'll show you the before and after. And now we are in the Watchdog. As you guys can see, we are getting above 60 FPS all the time for the 32GB of RAM. And we are only getting around 40 FPS for the 8GB, sometimes even 30. And we are getting almost 30 FPS more for upgrading the RAM. And now we are in the Red Dead Redemption 2 and we are getting 10 FPS more from upgrading the 8GB RAM to a 32GB RAM. And from both games, if you look closely, the physical memory used, so more RAM allows the game to use more RAM capacity to run more smoother. And that's why we are getting more FPS. If you are buying a laptop or desktop, make sure to get at least 16GB RAM with dual channel, or upgrade a certain PC to have a higher FPS, such as what we just did here. And now let's see who is the lucky guy. Ding, 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 ding. Congratulations, the beast cover! Woo-hoo-hoo-hoo.